and stay with me until the end of this video. I'm so excited to show you my Christmas decoration. And for this tree I need 12 plus 3 chains. First 12, 1 2 3 12 chain here, and I need plus 3 more chain, 1 2 3, and I'm going to do double crochet in my 12th one, and I'm going to make double crochet for each. I need 13 double crochets. I have already 2. Now I have 12 double crochets plus 3 chain, and I all together has 13. Now I am going to make 3 chain and turn my work, and I'm going to next one I make another 2 double crochets, and again I need another double crochets in the next chain. And now I'm going to make 2 chain and make a double crochet in the same one previous chain, like this, same chain, and again 2 double crochets for each chain here, and 2 chain, and make a double crochet same chain before, like this. Again you need to do 2 double crochets, make a 2 chain and go previous chain, make a double crochets again, and keep going until here. Okay, I finished this row. You have 2 chain gaps, 1 2 3 4 5. Now you need to make 3 chain and turn your work and go to this gap and make a shell. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet and 2 chain, make a shell. Like this, and again go next 2 chain gap and make a shell. 2 chain and go again, make 2 double crochets. And keep going up to here. I'm now in my last shell, and I'm going to make the next double crochet in previous 3 chain, top of 3 chain, like this, last one. Okay, again 3 chain and follow this row again, 5 shells. When I finish, I meet with you. I'm in the end of this row. I'm going to my last shell. I'm going to make a double crochet in the end of this 3 chain gap. You can see like this. Okay, now I make a single crochet and and I'm turn my work, and I'm come to here. I've skipped this shell, and I'm come to this place. And how do I do? I'm going to make a slip stitch like this. Okay, now I need 3 chain, and after I am going to make 1 2 3 shells here. Oops. 2 shells, sorry, 3 shells. 1 okay, this is my three shells. I'm going to make another double crochets in here. Because I need to balance both sides. Why I'm doing this one? See, it's need to be look same, symmetrical. And I need 3 chain again. I am going to do 3 shells again top of this 3 shells. I'm in the end of this shell. I'm going to make a double crochet in the edge of this shell here, and like before I have to come middle again. I skip this shell and I make slip stitch again. Now I am in the middle one. I have to do 3 chain again, 1 2 3, and I am going to make a shell in the middle one, only middle one. I only doing 1 shell because I am in the top of my tree now. 2 chain, and like before I am going to make a double crochet in edge of this shell. Okay, now I am in the middle. I need 3 chain again. I'm turn my work, and I am going to make 5 double crochets in here. 1 2 in 2 chain gap, 3 4 5 double crochets, and my edge one I'm going to make a double crochet in here, not inside, in the top of my 3 chain. Okay, I'm going to cut my yarn now. Okay, this is my tree. As you remember, I have 13 double crochets in here. I skip 4 double crochets first. 1 2 3 4. I'm start with 5th. 1 2 3 4. I'm starting with 5th one, and I am going to make 3 chain. 1 2 3 chain. I'm going to make 5 double crochets here. 1 2 3 4 4 5 5 double crochets. I'm going to do 3 chain, turn my work, do 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5. I think it's enough for me, and I cut it down. If you want long as this one, you can go another row. I think it's enough for me, and I cut down, and I am now going to show you my excited Christmas decoration. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.